Trick or treat.
Trick or treat.
All right, let's go have some fun, get some candy, and we'll show you how busy it was this Halloween.
Absolutely.
All right, let's go.
So the biggest difference from when we were here last time, about 3 to 4 weeks ago, was they added, seemed like, more plants and more foliage to the area. So it looks like they're putting in more details. I couldn't get too much in the front because there were cars parked over there, but we will be back mid-November. You can see they planted a lot more trees, so we will definitely be there in February. All right, it is Halloween day and we are at Legoland. Are you ready to go trick-or-treating today?
Yeah, and also ready to eat a bunch of lunch.
Okay, we're gonna have a picnic and go watch the new pirate show, and then see what candy we can get with some vampires today. And I heard it's not busy, maybe because it's a Sunday, people are going back to work. Last year was on a Saturday and it was very busy. We shall see. It is dead, not bad at all. We already saw the characters, so I'll link that down below for our first Brick or Treat event. And we tried all the treats, so we're just going to see what we missed. Okay, it looks like they're almost complete. They got just a little bit more to do. It looks almost done. And this way it's a lot easier to move around the park when this is finally back open now. So we still can't cut through the middle there. We're gonna go this way to the Pirate Cove.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is our first mate and our fiercest leader. It's Kabochi!
Oh wow, that guy just did a flip.
Wakeboard!
Whoa, look at that.
So there's the knife. Whoa, he's on the edge of his seat. Everyone, put your hands together.
Yeah, he went upside down.
Give it up for Crafty Connor!
Wow, it just like slides over there. That looks kind of scary. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Wow.
The 17th at sunset on Sunday, Sun Brickbeard!
Wow.
Captain on deck! Will the other pirates jump on board? The couch back up with the other crew. Oh, CJ! Keep going, CJ! Keep jumping! You got it! Yes! Rules test! Watch the swoop in! Whoa! Alright, now recover! Hold on there! Give it up for your fantastic frontside team! Whoa! How did he get up there? I have no idea. But while he's up there, let's see what he can do! Woo! Whoa! All right there, lads. A Brickbeard Watersport Stunt School! Show them your appreciation as they pass! The 2021 graduating class! Fire!
You're a scary creature. I vampires.
Yesterday he said, I don't say blah, blah, blah.
I know. Oh, that's so good.
I don't say blah, blah, blah. Thank you so much. We love the show.
We love the show.
Yes.
I love flying.
Yeah, that was cool. I think this is probably going to be where the new pirate ride will be too. That'd be kind of cool.
So this is you take a walk through flowers and
Hello,
gardens and stuff here.
Okay. Say trick or treat, buddy.
You got me.
Oh wow.
You're welcome. It's the Smarties.
Thank you. Wow. They got candy. Yeah.
He's got a golden too.
Oh, what's his favorite candy?
Oh, do you have a favorite? It's the peanut butter or the peanut M&Ms, right?
The peanut M&Ms. Those are pretty good.
Spicy stars. I don't remember what they're called.
Yeah.
Oh, the Sour Patch Kids? Yeah, he likes the Sour Patch. He likes anything chocolate, anything.
Oh, that's good.
I'll eat it all.
Which hand is he hiding?
This way,
Which hand is he hiding?
Oh!
He just moves it around.
Yeah, he moves it around. The other one can't you trust stairs?
Because they're always up to something and people go up on them.
Yeah, they're always up to something. Yeah, thank you so much. Yes, you were.
We're gonna come back for another joke.
Okay, we'll come back for more jokes. Thank you. We are on the Lego VR race. Hold on, buddy. Cakes there, they're really good, so I think I'm going to do a cookies and cream one this time. We got cookies and cream funnel cake with an extra scoop of ice cream. We're going to dig in. Looks delicious. Good?
Good.
Everyone's stuffing their face. Is it good? Okay, what about you, Grandma?
Watch me.
Very
eat.
sweet. There's
Watch me.
Okay. Their funnel cakes are always good. We've never actually had a disappointment. Sometimes they take a while, but they're worth it. Whoa, big bite. Disappeared. Next to Ninjago is the candy stop right here. You can get a treat bag in here in the mailbox.
You're welcome.
Yeah, you guys are so great.
Yeah. Right. Oh, you don't like those?
He's such a pain.
How about instead of that, you have these?
Whoa.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, they give out a lot more candy than any of the other parks.
Well, next time when it's another Halloween, I do want to dress up as my blue costume.
Okay, we'll do that. Look over here. There is a scavenger hunt to get one of those free Lego pieces.
I found that.
You found those? What letters are those?
Another one right there on the side.
What letters are they? E. There's an R and an E and an A. Probably trick or treat. Yeah. Some of the scavenger hunts have been a little bit harder, so I won't complain though for a free prize.
Thank you so
Aw,
much.
awesome. We got some little vampires for you.
Hey, Caleb. Vampire, what did you think of the cake? Can you pick that up?
Yes. What do vampires say, buddy? Say blah blah blah. Blah blah blah.
Say blah, blah, blah.
Yeah, I think it's funny.
Had a child and he said his first word and then he said,
That's like the best part.
Oh my goodness! Get set! Let's go! And put your bullseye.
Oh, Grandma, she's winning.
So we got 9 and 4 in the lead. We need to catch up. And our winner
Yay!
I want a white one.
do you want to go for?
Yeah, go ahead.
I won.
All right.
All right, Mommy, you're in the lead.
And the winner is
Thank you.
Okay, turn. And say thank you, Grandma. Say thank you, Grandma. Okay, and then in the kingdoms, the candy is over here. So we're gonna see if they load it up. So far, the Pirates one has been the most.
Thank you so much. Happy night.
All right, buddy, I'm doing this for you. Hi. Only a 10-minute wait. We're gonna go on the dragon. It's not bad at all right now, so pretty good day actually. Last Halloween was much busier. Are you ready, Pumpkin?
Yeah, this is my
can see Peppa over there. I did too. There's Una Kitty too over there. I do. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Thanks, say thank you. That's a lot. Okay, so this Kingdom one filled up the bag in one stop. Look at this. He was filling it up with a pile. We got a whole bag full in just one stop. And then there is a second stop in the Duplo area. Let's see how much candy we get. The lines are not bad at all. They're just filling up the bags. Trick or treat. Okay, hold on, hold it. Thank you. They finished it. Look, remember you helped build the black? Do you remember doing that? You helped build the black.
Yeah, I remember that.
With the nice guy that we saw earlier. It is finished. That's pretty cool. A peek in here real quick. The Heartlake City store. We haven't been here for a little bit. It's a cute little shop. They have lots of Lego friends. There's a little photo up here too with the Lego friends. There's that.
He's got his piece. Dracula shapes over there.
Like those Disney ones. What did you think?
Good.
Just good?
Yeah, awesome and good. And
That's what I
it's
thought.
Grandma's turn.
Oh no. So that was our first time on that ride. It was actually kind of intense.
But I want Grandma to go on it.
I know. Grandma's
Grandma,
not gonna go
it's
on that. It's a pretty big rush. I recommend going.
Right on the
Love you.
Aww.
Never gonna happen.
Okay, so this was the last trick-or-treating stop. It is closed at 7:30, so we got so much candy though. That was awesome. You can see it lit up.
Wow.
We have to go back around to Pirate Cove to see the fireworks. It's all lit up. I really like what they did with the canopy. It looks really nice. Nicely shaded. Kind of reminds me of Cirque du Soleil. Like the tent that was at Disney Springs a little bit. Alright, so we got 10 minutes till it starts. So we're all the way at the front.
Yeah.
And Grandma's all the way at the top.
Yeah, Grandma's all the way up there.
You guys ready to see some fireworks?
Sure.
Alright.
Yeah.
Not yet. What do you guys see through the glasses? You
Legos.
see Legos?
Here.
Yeah, you see this changes from circles to Legos.
The Imperial Navy searched far and wide to find Captain Dreadbeard and bring him to justice. They found him here at Pirates Cove.
Sail ho! Imperials to the south!
Evacuate the town. Hide in the forest. They will stop at nothing to capture me.
Look out! Move about!
The Imperial ships were destroyed.
That was cool. Did you like it?
To whatever
Alright, that was really cool.
Grandma,
Grandma, what'd you see? Or you saw saw just part of it, right?
Yeah, I saw part of it. It's the handicap seats. You can't really see the whole thing. But
Yeah, I would recommend sitting in the front.
Yeah, if you can. But it was very cool.
Yeah. Yeah, of course you do.
Yeah, that was really cool. I hope they have it for the holidays. I think it's really neat to see the fireworks as Legos, so definitely got to see it.
We did 5 stops. We did one of them twice, right? So this is probably 30 pounds at least, I think.
Gotta
of
be.
Smarties, M&Ms, Airheads, a lot of random ones, and mostly Smarties and Airheads.
Yeah.
Look at that. That is insane. So
We got here late.
yeah, this is worth it to come to Halloween last like hour trick-or-treating.
Stay up and kiss the and some skies.